Federated semantic communication for the metaverse, architecture, evaluation, and research directions. The metaverse is a virtual digital space comprising multiple virtual subspaces that coexist and engage with the real world, establishing a collective virtual reality setting. A distinctive characteristic of the metaverse is its inherent linkage between the physical and virtual domains. The former represents the physical space of the real world, while the latter comprises the virtual spaces within the metaverse. This chapter investigates key technological aspects essential to the development of the metaverse, including high-quality data processing, immersive experience mechanisms, large-scale access, and robust privacy and security. It presents a comprehensive analysis of the metaverse service requirements, emphasizing the necessity of low latency, large-scale data storage, robust security, and efficient data transmission to support immersive and reliable virtual environments. To address these requirements, a federated semantic communication framework is proposed, integrating semantic data transmission, semantic twins, and a metaverse construction model trained via federated learning. The framework's effectiveness is evaluated through simulations conducted on MNIST, KMNIST, and CIFAR-10 datasets, using peak signal-to-noise ratio (PSNR) and classification accuracy as principal evaluation metrics. Experimental results demonstrate substantial improvements in transmission efficiency, data recovery quality, and intelligent recognition capabilities. Moreover, the framework achieves a low compression rate with minimal information distortion, thereby reducing transmission delays and enhancing the immersive quality of metaverse environments. Finally, this chapter discusses future challenges and outlines potential research directions for advancing semantic communication, federated learning, and metaverse technologies. Introduction. The term metaverse refers to a 3D virtual world where people can work, play, and interact using technologies like virtual and augmented reality. It connects digital and physical spaces, allowing users to experience lifelike interactions in virtual environments. As it becomes more advanced, the metaverse needs fast, secure, and reliable communication systems. New technologies like 6G networks, edge computing, and artificial intelligence are helping to meet these needs. One key innovation is semantic communication, which focuses on understanding and delivering the meaning of information rather than just raw data. Researchers have proposed a new system that uses this approach to improve communication speed, reduce delays, and protect users' privacy. This system also encourages providers to update digital content regularly, making virtual experiences more realistic and useful. Overall, these advancements aim to make the metaverse a more immersive, efficient, and secure space for everyone. Conclusion. This study explores what the metaverse needs to work smoothly and securely, focusing on key technologies like 6G networks and mobile edge computing (MEC). These tools help make virtual experiences more realistic, responsive, and accessible. To improve how data is shared and understood in the metaverse, the study introduces a new communication method called semantic communication, which focuses on the meaning of data rather than just sending raw information. A new framework using this method and a technique called federated learning is proposed to manage data more efficiently while protecting users' privacy. Simulation results show that this system can reduce delays, improve data sharing, and make it easier to create detailed virtual worlds. It also helps lower the pressure on storage and computing systems. The study concludes by discussing upcoming challenges and future strategies to further improve communication and computing in the metaverse. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.